Kienu bosta dawk li ferħu bis-suċċess tat-tim rivelazzjoni tal-Leicester City li rnexxilhom jelbu l-ġganti l-oħra Ingliżi u kontra kull mistenni rebħu l-kampjonat Ingliż. Ħafna minn dawk li ferħu bis-suċċess tal-Leicester mhumiex supporters ta' dan it-tim, iżda One News sab supporter ferventi, Raymond Ellen ta' 67 sena. Ellen twieled f'Leicester u ilu madwar 30 sena jgħix il-Ħamrun. Magħna qasam l-esperjenza hekk kif sar magħruf li t-tim tiegħu rebaħ għall-ewwel darba l-kampjonat Ingliż.
Heart-rending for the second half to say how they're going to get it. When they scored, it was out of this world. You just didn't know what to say. And when the final whistle went, you were just gobsmacked. You just could not believe that the dream had come true.
Passjoni li ma bħala Ellen spjegalna l-memorji tiegħu f'Leicester u kif bdiet in-namra tiegħu maċ-Champions Ingliżi.
I've followed Leicester since, I would say, 1958-59. And I went to school just the next street to Filbert Street is where I know the team from. I used to watch them sneak in the gates when they used to play on a Wednesday afternoon. Then the Filbert Street held 42,000 spectators because there was no seating then, it was just standing.
Ellen li b'dispjaċir jgħid li ma jistax imur jara lil Leicester jilagħbu minħabba saħħtu jgħid li huwa diffiċli li t-tim jerġa' jirrepeti s-suċċess li kiseb, iżda jista' jikkonsolida dak li rnexxielu jagħmel f'dan l-istaġun. U għasostna li l-logħba tal-ballun għandha s-saħħa li ġib ħafna nies flimkien u hekk ġara fil-każ tas-suċċess tat-tim tiegħu.
The people that support Milan and Roma and Juventus, where I go for a beer in the bar, they've been supporting Leicester. It was just phenomenal. They say they never heard of it. Now they were supporting Leicester. On Sunday afternoon, they were just cheering, everybody cheering Leicester. And these are Italian supporters. So he just shows what football can do.
Finalment bid bissima fuq wiċċu Ellen jala b'messaġġ ta' awgurju kif jixraq lil dan it-tim li wera biċ-ċar li l-flus mhux kollox.
All our Maltese friends and fans of Leicester, we wish Leicester all the best and for everything they achieve, and it's Viva, Viva Leicester.